So we're going out to the office together.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
This is the first time in a long time that we're actually in the office again. Ya, sini. Kita mau cek dulu. Tapi kali ini my husband is following me to work today. Habis itu kita mau ke PT IKA ngambil salah satu barang. Sebenarnya di kantor nggak ada yang ngantor hari ini karena memang ada webinar UI and I'm one of the speakers, so I think it's a must. 37. Cepet aja tadi makeupnya di dalam mobil, terus makan juga belum, tapi nanti abis nyampe insyaallah makan dulu sebelum webinar yang mulai. We have 30 minutes to start cleaning up. Prepared to speak within 15 minutes. Seharusnya itu complete 15 minutes. I actually practiced and I took about 23 minutes. Jadi insyaallah hari ini tuh on time, nggak terlalu banyak ngobrolnya, bisa cepet, bisa on point. Okay, I think we reached 37. Yuk sayang. 37.
Sharing mengenai digital ecosystem dan tentunya dengan topik how to ace interview and networking for newbies yang akan disampaikan oleh Mbak Nia selaku Talent Acquisition Manager of Dentsu Indonesia. Go ahead Mbak Nia, silakan untuk take over from here.
Alright, thank you Shifa. I am Nia, Talent Acquisition Manager di Dentsu. Saya hari ini akan membahas soal human resource yang secara general untuk adik-adik semua. Siapa yang di sini udah tahu apakah itu talent acquisition? Pasti ada yang masih belum tahu nih, atau juga yang udah pernah dengar. Okay, so I'm sure you have questions like who are they and what are they doing gitu ya. Oke, jadi sebenarnya talent acquisition fokusnya adalah untuk merekrut talent-talent yang cocok dengan apa yang dibutuhkan dengan perusahaan. So, our very first topic, as you have seen, it's going to be how to ace your interview. Di sini interviewer juga appreciate banget kalau udah tahu tuh dasar posisinya yang kalian apply. Nggak langsung main apply gitu, tapi you guys have to know, is this my passion? Is this what I want? Seperti speaker yang nanti akan join kita after my session, there will be Kak Ian, Kak El gitu kan, bahkan saya sendiri gitu, belum tahu apa yang saya harus sampaikan dulunya. I was in your position before gitu. We were in your position before. Jadi if you have done your practice, you will get to where you are. Jadi akan ada di titik yang lebih baik dari pada sebelumnya gitu. So I almost died. I think I was on a heart attack. I'm actually still in the office. I just finished my webinar. I had a 15 minutes with them. I had to explain on how to ace your interview and what is networking about. Itu sih semua udah dijabarkan. Tadi udah pakai bahasa Indonesia juga, tapi kayak maksa banget, you know. Abuse. Now you stop, baby. Now you stop. Tadi dia kayak worse than that, okay guys? He almost killed me.
I know that you're right, but you should know it. Been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
But we're gonna pick up just one little thing and then we're gonna go back home. We'll see, and hopefully there's no demo outside because I heard that there's this huge demonstration outside. Tapi katanya itu cuma ada di Istana Negara. It's not all over here in Blok M. Jadi Jakarta Selatan itu nggak kena demonya, insya Allah. Didoain ya guys, karena kita mau balik tuh langsung ke Depok. And he's been annoying this whole time. He's been annoying like this whole time. When I reached here, he's asking how. Kesel dia dibawa di sini, makanya kenapa ikut-ikut. I don't know why he thinks I'm pranking him. Udah 35, aduh jangan stop please, jangan stop. Please jangan stop please. Enggak, once, only once. For everything there's only once. Bentar sayang, kita ambil kartunya. Kita udah mau langsung pulang. I think if I last remembered, we parked our car in B1, if I'm not mistaken. Sebenarnya kalau misalnya mau lebih safety kan ada tuh yang kayak car key tapi buat nombol. Kalau misalnya kita nggak mau touch the button gitu kan, jadi kita bisa use that. Lupa sih namanya apa. Karena sekarang kita harus pakai hand sanitizer. Enggak, sekarang udah jual di Shopee itu kayak kalau kita mau megang itu kita bisa kayak car key gitu, tapi kayak bisa dipakein buat itu. Iya gitu. Bahkan sekarang di beberapa gedung price-nya pakai kaki. Come on, let's go. Bumil kalau udah lama banget nggak jalan ya itu pasti ngos-ngosan. I'm really bringing a lot of things. 21.000 guys. Wow, buat yang bawa mobil, I give you a big clap of hands. Kiri sayang.
Plazanya.
Ya itu plazanya. Kita ke sebelah aja.
300 meters. Slight right.
Oh, berarti saya yang sering situ.
Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
This would be my very first time coming in here.
Tujuan Anda nanti berada di sebelah kanan.
Mas itu di mana sayang? Just tell him that you're next to this masjid. Kita parkingnya di dekat masjid ini mas, bilang gitu.
Oh, saya ingat ya masjid ini.
Ya gimana ingat?
Waktu kita kemarin nungguin ya.
Enggak, dia nggak pernah kesini sayang.
Oh, saya nggak ikut kemarin.
Ih, sama siapa ih? Tempatnya si bapak jauh ya?
Itu dekat.
Oh.
Kemarin saya nggak ikut ya.
Enggak, sayang.
Tinggalin di mana sayang waktu saya abang buka puasa bersama?
Kan memang saya bilang buka bersama itu nggak bawa girlfriendnya.
Iya, sayang tinggal di mana itu?
At my parents' house.
Oh.
Right, I love you. Or maybe you got another girl?
If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing.
Ya mas, saya ikutin.
Dia yang jaga semua flat.
Iya. Dia lagi dari ke rumah ketua.
Sayang, habis ini kita cari makan yuk.
Iya, tempat esteller itu ya.
Kalau kita cari tempat yang ada charger, and then we can just chill over there. Cause I know Blok M itu banyak banget kok tempat hangoutnya. Asalkan kita nggak hangout yang ini ya guys. Kita mau makan sebenarnya, bukannya mau hangout. Karena kalau mau hangout itu kayak kita beresiko banget. Ini lagi COVID and everyone is suggested to stay home, bukannya malah keluar. Tapi tadi kita keluar karena harus ada kesepakatan semua pengisi acara itu harus di kantor. Terus my husband comes with me. He also has some stuff to take from PT IKRA. Jadi sekalian aja gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya emang nggak diharuskan, jangan ya, jangan ikuti. And make sure you have this on your face or you put on the face shield.
Oh, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
Sorry we couldn't document what we were eating because we were so hungry, so we just had to eat it all away. Tadi pesannya udah banyak banget. My husband helped me eat, so mau ngobrol tanpa masker tapi kayak lupa gincu. I forgot my lipstick in the car. I forgot my lipstick at home. So maybe it's the time to buy lipstick today, baby.
Iya betul.
Beli ya?
Beli.
The best trick. Apa tuh?
Eksploitasi anak sekolah kan. Anak sekolah diajak ke mall, sumpah.
I ordered this drink. She said red velvet is nice, so I thought maybe we can try red velvet. Yeah.
Boys, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone.
Sayang, it's raining outside. So udah sholat isya belum?
Udah kan.
Okay, do you wanna say bye? Say bye first.
Bye. Thank you.
For watching. Assalamualaikum guys. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like.
Assalamualaikum.